Opida. And from the side of BGSY, Ontario, Brillantes, Orgeles, Mirabuenos, and Caballero. Players, proceed to the midcourt. Players, shake hands. Alat lang ha. Ay, panuhulog ko. Second. Jump ball between Orgeles and Opida. Matundan, yes for two. Brillantes. Orgeles. Rusquata to Matundan, yes for two. Ohario. 18 to shoot. Ano yun? Same ball. 15 shot lock. Brillantes block by Opida. Ramores. Yes for two. Brillantes to Ohario. No good. Opida. Ay Orgeles rather. Itinawag. Matundan. First personal foul. First team foul. 6 against 0. Last 4 minutes. In the free throw area. Orgeles. Yes for 1. 6 against 1. For the last row, jumpers ready. Yes for 1 again. Ramores, no good. No good. Matundan ngayon. Nakalusot. Rusquata. No good. Ohario to Orgeles. No good. Matundan. To Ramores. No good. Itinawag. Ramores, first personal foul, second team foul. No good. Ayun na yan. Bibitek dyan eh. Yes for 1. Itinawag backing violation, Matundan. 3 minutes. Nirila na. Brillantes. Still Ramores. Yes, for 2. By Ramores. Ohario. Ordiales, itinawag. Ambrosio, first personal foul, third team foul. In the free throw area, Ordiales, official run score 8 against 3. Last 2 minutes and 38 seconds. No good. Yes for one. Rusguata. Back to Matundan. To Ramores. Ramores to Matundan. 14 shot lang. Aso may tawag. Traveling. This one. Ojerio. Ojerio, 18 to shoot. No good. Matundan. Matundan to Ramores. Ramores to Rusguata. To Brillantes. Brillantes. Ojerio. Ojerio to Ojerio. Sorry. Last 2 minutes. Caballero. Caballero to Ojerio. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Block by Obida. Same ball. Shot clock 3. Shot clock 3. Same ball. Shot clock 3. Ordiales. Yes for 2 points. Obida. Itinawag. Caballero. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. That's 1 minute and 35 seconds. Ay, first personal foul, first team foul pala. Yes for one. Obida. No good. Same ball, 15 shot now. 6 against 9. Favor of Basketballeros. Rusguata. Ojerio. Yes for 2 on Dallas. Rusguata. Tumatunggan. Ramores. No good. Pop. Ordiales. First personal foul, second team foul. Walang penalties. Second team. Last 1 minute. No good. Last 55. Rusguata. Last 50. Tinawag. Ojerio. First personal foul. Third team foul. Last 51 seconds. In the free throw area, Mr. Rusguata. Yes for one. For the last row. Yes for one again. No good. Ordiales. That's 45. Ramores. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Last 43 seconds. Obida. Last 40. Rusguata. No good. No good again. Caballero. Ordiales. That's 30. Itinawag. Ambrosio. First personal foul, penalty. Second personal foul, penalty. Yes, for one Ordiales. Yes, for one again. That's 25. That's 20. Very good. Itinawag. 19, Ambrosio. Third personal foul, penalty. 15 seconds. Last 15 seconds. 11 against 10. Kayo is 1 point lead. 10 na. Ay, oh. Ay, no, lamang sila. Oh. Change playboard. Daichi. Last 10. May ano daw? Rajen! No good! Last 5. Obida, no good! Buzzer na lang. And, oh. Uy, Brietes, baka na tubig. Eighteen to shoot. Yes, for 2 points. Change playboard. Strawberry. Change nga, di ba? 14 shot lock. 10 to shoot. No good. Yes, for 2 Brillantes. Change playboard. Main goal. $15 to shoot. Yes, for 2. Change playboard.
Next one. Sana ganyan din ako.
Grapes. Brillantes. Ojerio. Yes, for 2. Change playboard. Ubas. 18 to shoot. Busquata. Retas another 2 points. Change playboard. Coconut. 18 to shoot. May nagkakarot. Tawan 5. Itinawag. Brillantes. First personal foul. First team foul. Reydansya. Yes, for 2. Change playboard. Ay, hindi pala. 19 naging 16. Itinawag Canyalas. First personal foul. First team foul. Official running score 19 against 16. Favor of Basketboleros. No good. Turnover. Last 2 minutes. Galiana. Canyalas. No good. No good again. Itinawag. Gomez. First personal foul, second team foul. That's 1 minute and 41 seconds. Yes, for one. Yes, for one again. Eighteen to shoot. Galliano. 14 to shoot. Reinancia. Itinawag. Brillantes foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Pero mga baklas na mga Diyos ko.
Yes, for 2 points. Galliano. Mirabuenos. First personal foul, third team foul. Reinancia no good. Foul rebound by Ordeles. To yes for 2 Balon. Last 50. Galliano. Yes for 2 Flordelis. Fourteen shot now. Third. Flordelis. Cañanas no good. Last 20. Shot clock is off. No good. Last 15. Yes, for 2 points. Last 10. Last 5. Brillantes. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Last 3 seconds. 23-22. 1 point lead. Basketballeros. And off the third quarter.
Akan ng bado. Natin kita ng bado. Akan ng bado. Balon. Brillantes no good. Balon. No good. Ordeles no good. Itinawag Bella. First personal foul. First team foul Bella.
Ay, bakit mo naman ito? Sige na!
Yes, for 1 Ordeles. Deadlock 23.
Madot na kasalang dito. Bakit?
At ang gulong doon.
Yes, for 1 again. Change favor. Sitaw. Reinancia. Yes, for 2 points. Change labor. Calamansi. No good. Reinancia. Bella. Yes, for 2. Brillantes.
Itong salita lang ito.
No good.
Nakabado.
Last 4 minutes. No good. 18 to shoot. Yes, for 2 points. Rosquata to Madunda to Bella. No good. Rosquata. No good. Foul Herio. Second personal foul, first team foul. Timeout. No good.
Sayang alam mo. Batay! Ito sa loob!
Nakabidyo ka na. Ayun ka na na doon. Hindi ka na sa YouTube. Ano YouTube ka na? Tropa mo ba ito? Manamit ang manok mo ano? Magkaluto. Lagin.
No good. Yes, for 2 points. Page Playboard. Pineapple. No good. Rusquata. No good again. Reynancia. No good. Matuntan. No good. Bella. No good. Reynancia. Rusquata. No good. No good again. Power rebound by Ontario. Last 2 minutes. Traveling violation. Foul. Balon. 24, balon. Ay, Bella. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 24. Turnover. That's 1 minute and 38. Reynancia. No good. Reynancia. First personal foul, third team foul. 1 minute 20. No good. Rusquata.
Foul. There's number 12, Oferio. Third personal foul, second team foul. Ang lamig. 27-28, 1 point lead. BGSY. Reinancia. No good. Matundan. 2 points. Change playboard. Apple. That's 1 minute. Same ball. 18 to shoot. That's 50 seconds. Timeout. Bella, yes, 42. That's 45. That's 35. No good. That's 30. No good. No good again. Orgeles, yes, for 2. Shot clock is up, plus 20. No good. Last 10. No good. That's 5. Wow. Brillantes. Warning for foul out. Third team foul. Last 4.9 seconds. That's 3. Buzzer na lang. Counted. 33 against 30. Favors Pulugoy and friends. Yes, for 2 points. No good. Reserve timeout. Timeout. Timeout consume BGSY.
Oo, nalagyan ko. Bakit?
Tapos.
Ayaw mo?
Hindi man. Inalis ko lang.
Dahil?
Di ba ako kumbi? Nakalagay ko lang.
35-30.
Transado.
Ten to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Oo, kay Lorenzo.
Lord Denise. Yes, for 2 points. Steal, Cañelas. Yes, for 2 points. Oferio. Substitution. Caballero out. Balon in. Obida foul. First personal foul. Second team foul. 39-30. No good. 2 minutes 18. Brillante. Traveling violation. That's 2 minutes, 2 seconds. Ramores. No good. Cañelas. Ramores. Foul. Ontario. Warning for foul out. First team foul. Yes, for Juan Ramores, 40 against 30. No good. No good again. Milobuenos.
Yan, oh.
Balon, 2 points. Forty against 32. No good. Yes, no good. Yes, for 2 points. Ramores. Foul. Mirobuenos. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Time to shoot. Lordinis, no good. That's 1 minute. No good. Cañelas. That's 50 seconds. Yes, for 2 points. That's 45, yes, for 2 points. 42-36. That's 40. Itinawag. Ordiales. Second personal foul, third team foul. Yes, for 1. That's 30. 3. That's 25. That's 20. 18 to shoot. 15 to shoot. Yes, for 2 points. Ramores, 45-39. Last 10. No good. Last 5. Buzzer na lang.